Okay, welcome to 2026, my brother, my G. Look at this basic sketch here. Could you ever imagine a basic sketch like this, which by the way wasn't made by me, it was AI, could turn only this image with this handsome guy, my old client, into this professional level Mr. Beast thumbnail? My good God, look at these small details. Look at the skin, the fire, the effects. Every single piece of this thumbnail is just, wow, perfect. Man, if you are a designer and you don't use this to create your thumbnails or thumbnails for your clients, you're gonna waste your time. Please stick to the end because I'm gonna show you a prompt engineer, very simple, that I'm gonna give you for free, that you can use to have the best results ever in your thumbnails. Okay, so my question right now for you is this the end of designers? Do you think 2026 most of designers are going to quit their niche? I mean, I don't know, in my opinion, maybe in a couple years or in a year, yes, if they don't know how to use this, what I'm about to show you. And the thing is that I've been watching so many people teaching others how to create professional thumbnails using Photoshop, but most of them won't tell you that it takes a lot of time to build professional designs. But with this simple trick that I'm gonna show you right now, in only 2 minutes, using AI, that you don't have to pay by the way, you can turn any sketch into a viral thumbnail design. It doesn't matter if it's a Mr. Beast style, Imangachi, or just your favorite creator thumbnail design. I'm gonna show you today how to do it. And the question, the third one, is how? How can you turn this basic sketch into a viral thumbnail design? Well, first thing that you need is to take a picture of yourself or ask your client for a picture doing some expression, okay? Angry, surprise, whatever you want. And we need to crop the image just to have the head so we can put it into the sketch, okay? But don't worry, because we are going to use AI to crop it if you don't have Photoshop and if you don't have Canva. Step number 1, you need to find a good thumbnail reference, and I'm going to be using Mr. Beast as an example. So I'm gonna go through YouTube, right, Mr. Beast channel specifically, and I'm going to pick one nice thumbnail design here, okay? This one here. I'm gonna copy the link of this image, which is the second step, and we are going to the second website, which is youtube-thumbnaildownload.com, which is completely free. And you can paste the link here and upload in the full quality, okay? Before we go to the step number 3, I need to show you something very important. So don't skip this part because it's very important. So you keep generating infinite thumbnail designs with pro quality if you don't want to waste your time. This will take you only 2 minutes, and I can promise you, you won't have to go through many revisions, okay, with AI. So the old way, you would have to draw everything from scratch, just like this one here, and I think it's horrible. And what's the problem with the old way? I'm not telling you right now that you can't use this to create your sketches. You can do it if you want, but the problem is that drawing yourself can take more time. Second, you gotta spend a couple minutes till you have the perfect version of the sketch. Why? Because if you create a sketch that AI does not understand, it will mess it up with the quality and probably with the informations in the image. The second way and the new way is let AI do that for you. Very easy, my brother. And the positive thing about it is that you don't need to be a professional. With the one single prompt, you have the perfect result, sketch results, okay? And AI immediately understands the concept behind your thumbnail. And why this is so important, let's compare the results right here down below. So the first result, of course, the image, I mean, the person's face is different than the other one because I was trying to use Alex Hormoz's faces to create this thumbnail, but AI just messed it up with everything. And not because Alex Hormozy, just because I was using this sketch here, okay, which doesn't work properly. Look at the problem here. You can see, first of all, this is a completely floating head in the scene. Like, it doesn't just make any sense. Plus, you have a lot of texts here, and we don't want it. It's a thumbnail. We need it ready to copy and paste, right? But the second result is this one, okay? The perfect thumbnail design, and you already know why. So here's the strategy behind it. So don't skip this part, please. If you don't understand what I'm about to show you right now, you're just gonna mess it up with everything and you're gonna waste a lot of time, because I had to waste a lot of time until I get the perfect results. So if you skip any part of this video, you're gonna miss a very important information, okay? Every single step of this video is important. So the strategic labeling. Label elements in English or in your language directly on the sketch. For example, lights, fire, foregrounds. It helps AI to understand the scenes hierarchically. I don't know how to say that in English, okay? So let's have a look here. You have a couple elements, very basic, that AI describes for you, right? AI reads, okay, analyzes the YouTube thumbnail references, pick any type, and it takes every single element in the scene and you turn it into the sketch. This is what happened. As you can see, this is Mr. Beast thumbnail and this is the sketch, okay? I'm gonna show you how you're gonna do this, but hold on, okay, because this is a very important step. So if you want the perfect sketch, to turn any sketch into perfect thumbnail designs, stick to the end, because I'm gonna give you everything that you need. So let's go to the next part, which is get access to my prompt sequence engineer. So I'm gonna click it right here, and inside the documents you're gonna have everything that you need to start creating. So here are the 5 simple steps that we are gonna take to start doing this. First of all, we're gonna use the prompt number 1, which is gonna crop the face perfectly so we can download it and put it into the sketch. Second, we're gonna use the sketch generator, which is picking the YouTube reference image and let AI turn it into the perfect sketch thumbnail, okay? Third, we're gonna crop the image using AI, this one here, paste it into the sketch, send it over to a ChatGPT, very quick, and paste one secret sauce to turn this image into the perfect thumbnail design. Okay, so don't skip this part. And last and not least, we are going to have the final prompt engineer to turn the image into a thumbnail design. So here's the YouTube tutorial documents that you need to follow all the steps, okay? Basically, you're gonna copy all of this prompt here, copy this, then you're gonna go to Gemini. You don't need to pay for Gemini, okay? You're gonna paste in this prompt and we are going to pick any image that we want. In this case, I'm going to be using the guy faces, this guy face here, okay? That one, this one, okay? And we're going to select the option thinking, and again, you don't need to pay for AI. It's for completely free, okay? Send it over to AI and let AI do the job for you. Awesome. In just a few seconds, we have the perfect picture, and something very nice about it is that it even upscale your image. So this is perfect to have even a better results. So we are going to download this picture, and if you don't pay for Canva or Photoshop, don't worry, I'm gonna show you one trick that you can use to remove the background of this image, okay? So let's go to remove background.bg and you're going to upload the image into this website. Now you can upload the image here and this AI will remove the background automatically for you. There you go, okay? Now you just have to download it for free. Okay, now that we have the image cropped, we need the sketch generator. So go to the documents and go to the second part, which is this one here. And I'm going to copy with you and show you right now how it works. Okay, I'm gonna copy and I am going to open up a new conversation in Gemini. And I am going to select the thinking option. Plus, I'm gonna send it over the thumbnail design. There you go. Now, as you can see, we have the perfect thumbnail blueprint in front of our eyes just in a few seconds. It didn't take even 1 minute, okay? So we're gonna download it right now. Then you're gonna open up Canva or Photoshop if you prefer, okay? It's up to you. I'm gonna paste in here the sketch just like this one, and I am going to pick the cropped image, which is the guy face, and I'm going to upload into, I'm just going to paste the face here. Cool. So I'm gonna download this image here, and if you don't pay for Canva.com, don't worry, just download the image. So I'm gonna pick this prompt here and paste into ChatGPT. Okay, there you go. So let's go to the final round, which is this one. Okay, there you go. And I am going to open a new conversation into ChatGPT and send it over the image, the sketch image that we have. AI is working to create our prompt. Okay, so the final prompt, it's already here. I'm gonna copy this prompt until here. You don't need to copy the last part because it's not necessary. Go into Gemini, open up a new conversation, paste this prompt here and the sketch image again, okay? And make sure you selected the thinking option. There you go. Okay, and now we have the final results, which is a perfect YouTube thumbnail following Mr. Beast style. Something very important that you need to know about this thumbnail strategy using AI is that whenever you upload the picture into the sketch, you need to do the same expression of the thumbnail reference. So ask your clients to imitate the same image reference face expression, okay? So we are going to have the perfect example. So if you feel like AI is changing your face, it's probably because you've pasted a picture like this one, just serious, and not copying the expression from the thumbnail reference, okay? And I can promise you and guarantee you that AI won't change any detail of it. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, okay? Because also there's something coming very soon. Very soon. There's something coming soon, which is I'm building an AI with YouTube psychology to replace an entire team of creators. So if you're a content creator or want to start a channel, this is going to be one of the craziest things you will ever see, because it won't just save you time, but it will actually help you to start getting results, just like this client of mine here. This specific client wasn't getting over 5k views and his rotation was just awful, and now he's getting a lot of results, making money with YouTube. So if you don't want to miss it, subscribe to my channel. Not only that, but if you want to know how I'm going to replace this website, which is Xfield, the most famous website to create cinematic videos, and how I'm gonna do this, I've made and I've built myself a prompt engineer which copied the whole thing. I've tested out a lot of times with a couple videos of mine, and this is just getting crazy. So instead of paying over $100 every month, subscribe to my channel because I have something very special for you. So this is the video, this is today's video, and I hope you like it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon.